the basic concept of Bachel's relay. The Bachel's device providing protection against all kind of faults, that is slow developing faults such as insulation failure of winding, overheating, fall of oil level due to leakage joints like this. For all this purpose, we can use the Bachel's devices. It is a gas-activated relay installed in oil-immersed transformer for protection against all kind of faults. It is used to give an alarm in case of incipient. Incipient means the slow developing fault in the transformer, and to disconnect the transformer from the supply in the event of several internal faults. It is usually installed in the pipe connection, the conservator to the main tank as shown in the diagram. If you see the diagram carefully, you can easily observe if the transformer rating is in excess of 750 kVA, this type of relay can be used. This is advisable. In case of incipient is slow developing fault within the transformer. The heat due to the fault causes the decomposition of some transformer oil in the main tank, which produces more than 70% of hydrogen gas. The hydrogen gas being light tries to go into the conservator. Usually the hydrogen gas is very lightweight. That's why it moves towards the conservator, and in the process of this gets entrapped in the upper part of the relay chamber. When predetermined amount of gas gets accumulated in the conservator, it exerts sufficient pressure on the float. There is a float here. You can see the Bachel's relay. There is a float. In this float, it makes some pressure. So it leads to tilt its position and close the contact of mercury switches attached to it. There is a mercury switch here. It makes the switch to close, so that it completes the alarm circuit to sound an alarm. So it has been identified that fault has been takes place in the inside of the transformer, so that the precautionary measure can easily be taken by using this operation. That is the basic concept. If a serious fault occurs in the transformer, an enormous amount of gas is generated in the main tank. That is the basic concept. Because of the enormous amount of hydrogen gas is formulated, and this moves towards upward and makes higher pressure. So if there is a serious fault, automatically the transformer can be identified that as a fault inside of the transformer. The oil in the main tank rushes towards the conservator via Bachel's relay. Here there is through this Bachel's relay, we can easily identify by the oil moving towards upward, and so the tilt the flap to close the contact of the mercury switch. This is the float in the Bachel's relay. This is the mercury switch. The mercury switch is moving. If there is a gas, tilt the float in some degree angle, so it is possible to close the contactors. Because of the inside of this glass tube, there is a mercury filled. That's why the contactors gets closed. This is the fundamental concept. This completes the circuit to open the circuit breaker controlling the transformer. This working principle is very simple, so that we can easily protect the transformer. It detects the incipient faults at a stage much earlier than is possible with other form of protection. So this is practically using in the transformer which is having the rating excess of 750 kVA. This method is applicable for protection of transformer which is having higher rating.